Hi, and welcome to our 29th Do-It-Yourself podcast video on Excel. My name is Deborah Jean, and my friends, they refer to me as DJ. I'm from Accounting Business Solutions by JCS. Our goal is to provide you with the tools to assist your organization to reach the next level of success. We specialize in Sage 50, Sage 100, QuickBooks accounting software, and so much more. So let's begin. Today we're going to be learning the Auto Select feature. So let's take a look. What I've made is an Excel spreadsheet to give you a sample of the Auto Select feature. Okay, so what we do is we want to bold in the area that we want to auto select, and we want to tell the computer by doing a Control-C that we're going to copy that area. See the dashes going around that area? That is the area that the computer just copied, which is called Auto Select feature. Now we're going to go over here to this area and just put in the command as to where we want that to be copied. So we've already got it copied. Now we're going to do a Control-V, which paste it. Yeah, you think it would be Control-P, right? No, whoever designed the system, Control-P is print. So let's go ahead and do a Control-P just to show you what that would look like, and then you could go ahead and print that document. I'm going to click on the top left arrow and bring us back. Okay, so that's Auto Select feature. As you can see, I've done it a few times before. Now I'm just quickly going to show you an Auto Sum feature. Okay, what we're telling the system right here is in this area we want it to add. We're going to go up to Auto Sum, okay, and click on Auto Sum. And when I click on it, take a look back down at the area to see how it's going to total it. See? It totaled that column right there. Then if you want to be fancy, you can bold it, and since it's a total and it's a little bit bigger, we can make it larger. And you can put your columns down here and write total or subtotal, whatever it might be. Okay? And remember, always Control-S, which is going to be Control-Save, and it's going to save all your work that you just did. In the case of a power failure, you will lose everything from your last save. So do it frequently, if you would, please. Okay, let's go back here. Okay, there's many features, okay, that Excel has to offer to reach the next level of success and produce extremely professional documents. We have a list where you can review them as many times as you wish. Our clients are our #1 concern, and your success is our goal. We are sure that these videos and future ones will add to your knowledge of this incredible program. Thank you so much for taking the time to invest in your future and learn just a little more about the Excel program. We will provide you with complimentary business review for your next accounting software solution. I'm thinking at this point I need to make a pot of coffee. Oh my goodness. we will determine your needs and wants for now and in the future to help your growth, to customize a package that perfectly fits your needs and allows you the future growth that you deserve. With Excel and several other programs, excellent training, and the daily support that you may need with solutions for your everyday business needs. These will help your business be more streamlined and more cost efficient, which is so very important. We'd like to take this time to say thank you for joining our podcast from the team at Accounting Business Solutions by JCS. This is DJ signing off from Basic Introduction to the Excel program. Have a wonderful day and check out the next podcast at your convenience. Bye now.